Let's see how good my oil looks in here.
Oh, it's that clear oil. Look at that clear oil. He said he drove it 6 weeks ago.
I want to watch a movie.
This is definitely driven 6 weeks.
This is definitely driven. I would say probably like 6 minutes ago.
I want to play video games. I want to watch a movie. Okay.
Yeah, that's a good amount of water in that bad boy. Figured it would be. Look how thick the oil is coming out. It looks solid. Doesn't even look like regular oil. Jeez, how much is in there?
It should be 6 quarts, but who knows now? I mean, it could
I
have
don't
20.
know. That seems like a lot more than 6 to me.
Well, it ain't slowed down, so yeah, that's got to be more than 6.
I cracked the top on it. Pull the thing on the valve cover.
The cap?
Yeah. I should have pulled it off, but didn't.
Well, I mean, that ain't gonna stop anything.
No, it should increase the vacuum. Did you figure that it can pull all the way to the motor? Yeah, that was a lot in there, dude.
I might have had 10 quarts in it.
I think it was way more than 6. Yeah, I think that was